To create this design, you need to add a cube. Then scale this cube along the z-axis. Then scale it along the x-axis and scale it along the y-axis. Then apply the scale. Go to the edit mode. Add a center loop cut. Select this word and move them along the y-axis. Select these corner edges and Ctrl F to dissolve them. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Then select this edge and add bevel on it. Then add one loop cut here. Select this edge and move it along the y-axis. Adjust its position. Select this word and move it along the y-axis. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry. Select these words and SX scale them along the x-axis and move them along the y-axis. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the z-axis. Then select these edges and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Then select these faces and use the insert operation in this way. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Select everything and S and Z scale it along the z-axis. Then select this corner edge and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Add 4 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry. Select these faces and use the insert operation. And use the insert operation one more time and then press Alt S to scale them along the normal. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the z-axis. Then select these edge loops and Ctrl B add bevel on them. Shape factor should be 1. Add a 2 segment bevel. Then add one loop cut here and add a few loop cuts here. Add one loop cut here. Add 2 loop cuts here. Add 2 loop cuts here. And now we need to create right topology for this. Then select these edge loops and Ctrl B add bevel on them. And then add one loop cut here. Then hit the Ctrl 2 to add the subd modifier and shade smooth it. And there you go. In this way you can get this kind of design. You can see the design, you can see the topology, and you can see the form. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.